Welcome children. Today's topic for the classes 7 and 8 is acids and bases. Objectives of learning. Acids, what is pH, what are indicators, properties of acids, bases and their properties, and neutralization reaction. Let us begin with acids children. The word acid comes from the Latin word acer, which means sour. These are the substances which give hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. For example, HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, HNO3, that is nitric acid. All the acids contain hydrogen in them. Hence, when dissolved in water, they give hydrogen ions. Metals, when react with acids, they release hydrogen. All these things show that acids contain hydrogen in them. Acids are sour in taste. For example, lemon, which contains citric acid, is sour in taste. Here we have got source of acids. Vinegar, which contains acetic acid. Apple contains malic acid and contains formic acid. Milk, when curdled, it becomes lactose sugar present in the milk becomes lactic acid. Hence, curd is a source of lactic acid. Grapes contain tartaric acid. Tomatoes contain oxalic acid. Lemon contains citric acid. Let us understand what is pH children. pH is the potential hydrogen or power of hydrogen ion concentration. The more hydrogen ions, the more acidic is the solution. That is, if hydrogen ions are more, then the substance is more acidic. If hydrogen ions are lesser, then the substance is less acidic. If the pH of a substance is less than 7, then the substance is acidic. If the pH of any substance is more than 7, then the substance is a base. Let us understand what are these indicators. These are the chemical substances that are used to find out whether a given solution is acidic or basic by showing a color change. So these indicators, they help out to find out whether a substance is acid or a base, and that is being decided depending upon the color change. Litmus is a water-soluble mixture of different dyes extracted from lichens, that is fungi and algae. It is absorbed onto the filter paper to make pH indicators. Lichens are the organisms of fungi and algae. Fungi and algae live together and we call them as lichens, and certain dyes are being extracted from the lichens, and that dye, it is being absorbed onto the filter paper and is used as an indicator. So litmus is used as an indicator which is being extracted from water, lichens. Some more examples of indicators children. Methyl orange, phenolphthalein, turmeric, which is a natural indicator. We are going to study about properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. You can see here in the image, unripe apple, pea fruit, it contains malic acid, which are sour in taste. Grapes contain tartaric acid, and citrus fruits like lemon and orange, they too contain what acids in them and they are sour in taste. Vinegar, which is used for different purposes, it is also sour in taste. So acids, finally we can say that acids are sour in taste. Acids give hydrogen ions children. For example, hydrochloric acid, if you add in water, it splits into hydrogen and chlorine ions. And this hydrogen is given to water molecule. In the image you can see hydrogen chloride splits into hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine, H and Cl separates, and that hydrogen is given to water molecule to form H3O. In the second equation you can see hydrogen chloride plus water, it becomes H3O, that is hydronium plus chlorine. So these equations you will be studying in higher classes children in detail. So try to understand that acids give hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Hydrogen and chlorine separates and that hydrogen is added to water molecule. Acids turn blue litmus red. Blue litmus, when it is dipped in acids, it turns red, indicating that it is an acid. Acids react with the bases to form salt and water. Acid plus base gives water and salt. Here is an example. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives water, that is H2O, plus NaCl, that is a salt. Okay. Sodium hydroxide is a base, children. So when an acid reacts with a base, they form salt and water. Here all the properties at once we can go through, children. Acids are sour in taste. They produce hydrogen ions. They turn blue litmus red. Acids also conduct electricity. This will be studying in the higher classes how they conduct, but they help in conducting electricity. They react with the bases to form water and salt. Now we are going to study about bases. Bases are the substances which produces hydroxyl ions. Acids give out hydrogen ions, but bases they give out hydroxyl ions. OH, O is oxygen here, H is hydrogen here, children. Okay, so hydroxyl ions are given by bases. Examples: sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide contains OH in it, NaOH. Calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, all these substances they contain hydroxyl ions in them. So all these are what are bases, examples of bases. Here we have got some examples of the bases. Okay. Window cleaner, floor cleaner, baking soda, all these are examples of bases. Window cleaner contains ammonium hydroxide. It also contains hydroxyl ion. Okay. Baking sodas, it is nothing but a sodium bicarbonate. Even our soap, bathing soap also contains sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, children. We are going to study about the properties of bases. Bases are bitter to taste. So that's the taste of any base, children. They are soapy to touch. That is another property. They turn red litmus blue. So when we dip a red litmus in any of the base, for example in sodium hydroxide, if you dip a red litmus paper, it turns blue. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. If any of the bases are soluble in the water, then we call it as a alkali, children. So here in this image you can see when red litmus is dipped in a base, it turns blue, indicating that it is a base. So if the pH of any substance is more than 7, then we call it as a base, children. Let us study neutralization reaction, children. The reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization reaction. When an acid reacts with a base, the product obtained becomes neutral. That means it is neither an acidic nor a base. Okay, so this is what a neutralization reaction. Here we have an example for neutralization reaction. This equation already we have studied in the previous slides. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid is an acid and sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, it's a base. When these two are mixed together, we get sodium chloride plus water. Sodium chloride is a salt and water is another product formed in this neutralization reaction. Once more, let me repeat, children. So neutralization reaction, it's a reaction in which acid reacts with the base to form salt and water, and the product formed, it is neither acidic nor base. We get salt during this reaction. Salt and water are formed during this reaction. So this is nothing but a neutralization reaction. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. Hope all the concepts are clear, children. You have learned till now acids and their properties, what is pH, what are indicators, bases and their properties, and neutralization reaction. Here you have got worksheet, children. What are the properties of acids? What are the properties of bases? What is neutralization reaction? Name any two indicators. Hope all the concepts are clear. Solve these questions, that is from the worksheet 7, and preserve it, children. Thank you one and all.